Real concept estate. Design before you buy.
Hey everybody, this is Rich from Real Concept Estate. How are you doing? Today we are very excited. What do we have here? We have found a house located in Chatswood which is available on the market right now. It has lots of potential, but not just with its location. All I can call this is a hidden gem. It will be a wow factor with a lot character. So I'm going to show you the dream a bit later. But not just one, how about two? Let me know what you think as well. Please share your comments below. I am really looking forward to it, cannot wait to hear from you. Are you ready? Let's review 24 Claude Street in Chatswood, available on the market today. If you are interested in buying, please check out the details in the description below. Don't forget to buy before it's gone. Without further ado, let's check out the floor plans. Let's go. What do we have here? Once you enter the house, it leads you to the foyer corridor, where the quiet zone of the house. I'm not going to lie. You can move into this property right now. And everything is at your fingertips. Is it the best? You tell me. Here you have your 4 bedrooms and quite an unusual family zone arrangement. But you won't complain with its location, for sure. Here we go. Why are we here? Yes, we are here for the potential and to show you the wonderful concept to dreams. Let me unwrap the dreams for you. I am very excited. I hope you are as well. Firstly, before we begin, here is the boundary. The design concept is to make it very clear between the old and new. We keep half of the building toward the street direction and the other half of the building to be demolished. In this concept, dining, lounge and kitchen can get as much as northern direct sunlight. I believe that the key words for this option are utilize the space. Look at the existing floor plan here. Simple is the best, a clear connection between the old and new. Much better, it makes the layout clear between the private and family zone. And at the same time, this concept provides a well-connected inside and outside spaces between courtyard, lounge, dining and backyard. And a new entry has been added next to the lounge in this option. Let's compare it with the existing floor plan again. And this is option 1. Alternatively, we have removed the new entry and swapped the kitchen and lounge in option 2. It instantly allows the lounge to connect the backyard even better. What do you think? It is wonderful, regardless if you like it or not. Really happy with this opportunity. We have doubled the space and for sure double the value. If you have other ideas, please let us know. If you want to see this concept in 3D perspective, please comment below. And I would be more than happy to make that for you. And also, do you know any of your families or friends are interested in this property or similar to this? Please share this video with them. That being said, as a disclaimer, this concept follows many principles which are applied by a lot of building designers or architects. However, this information is for educational purpose only. You can take it to the next level if you want by relevant professionals. Hey, thanks for watching. We are all into this design before you buy concept. We create this channel with big goals in mind. We want to help you to choose your first home, next investment property or anything in between. But please like, comment and subscribe. We need your help. We got plenty of concepts coming to your way.